Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to learn how to find out the HCF and the LCM of two or more numbers. In the previous classes, you had learned how to find out the common factor and the common multiples of two or more numbers. So it will be very easy for you to find out the HCF and LCM of two or more numbers by prime factorization method. So let us start.
HCF is the highest common factor. It is the greatest factor that two numbers have in common with each other. HCF is also known as the greatest common divisor. There are three methods of finding HCF of two or more numbers. First one is factorization method. Second one is prime factorization method. And the third one is division method. But in today's video, we will discuss prime factorization method. In step 1, we will find the prime factors of the given numbers by the repeated division method. First of all, we will find the prime factors of 32. Begin with the smallest prime number 2. Divide 32 by 2, we get 16. On dividing 16 by 2, we get 8. Again, we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. And 4 divided by 2 gives 2. As 2 is a prime number, we divide 2 by itself. So, we get the 1 as a quotient. So, prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, find out the prime factors of 24. Divide 24 by 2, we get 12. Now divide 12 by 2 to get 6. Divide 6 by 2 to get 3. 3 is a prime number, we divide by itself and get 1 as a quotient. So prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In step 2, we will circle the common prime factors of the given numbers. Here the common factors are 2, 2 and one more 2. In step 3, the product of the common prime factors of the number gives the HCF. So the HCF of 32 and 24 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. LCM, least common multiple of 2 or more number, is the smallest number that is a multiple of those numbers. There are three methods of finding LCM of 2 or more numbers. First one is by finding the multiples, second one by prime factorization, and third one by division method. Today we will find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Let us understand this by taking an example. Find the LCM of 25, 15 and 30 by prime factorization method. In step 1, find the prime factorization of the numbers by repeated division method. Prime factorization of 25 is 5 multiplied by 5 and prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factorization of 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In step 2, circle the common prime factors of all the given numbers. Here, common prime factor is 5. In step 3, underline the remaining common prime factors of any two numbers. Here, remaining common prime factor is 3. In step 4, list the uncommon prime factors of all the given numbers. Uncommon prime factors are 2 and 5. In step 5, we will find the LCM, which will be the product of common prime factors, remaining common prime factors and the uncommon prime factors of all the given number. So here the LCM of 25, 15 and 30 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 150. Now let us try to solve the A part of exercise 3.5. Question is, find the LCM of the following sets of factor. First one is 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 5. Here the factor 2 is common in between the two sets. and the uncommon factors are 3 and 5. So the LCM will be the product of the common factors and the uncommon factors. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Second part is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 and 2 multiplied by 11. Here 2 is the common factor in between the two sets and the uncommon factors are 3, 7 and 11. So the LCM will be the product of common and uncommon factors. So LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11, which is equals to 462. Third one is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Here 3 and one more 3 are the common factor in between the two sets. 2 and 5 is uncommon factor. So LCM will be the product of them. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 90. Fourth one is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Here the common factors are 3 and 5 and uncommon factors are 2 and 5. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 150.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Try to do the questions in your notebook yourself. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.